Alright, hello 6th graders. Welcome to the practice for the retake for our standard 6-3-1-2, finding the area of quadrilaterals and triangles. So we're going to start out with putting in some notes. Please draw this figure in your notebook, and then we're going to add the formula for finding the area. The first figure that we are drawing is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two sets of parallel sides. To find the area of a parallelogram, we need to do base times height. Remember, the height on a parallelogram is perpendicular to the base. It makes a 90 degree or an H. The second figure we have is a triangle. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. In a triangle, our base and our height are also perpendicular. They make an H. When you go to the doctor, you stand straight up to measure your height. When you are finding the height of a figure, you are standing straight up from the base or perpendicular from the base. Area of a trapezoid. This one we must have our parentheses if we're going to enter it into the calculator correctly. Base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. So our bases are the two sides that are parallel. So parallel, base 1, parallel, base 2. Our height goes perpendicular between the two bases, makes an H for height. So we're going to use these formulas as we find the area for these figures. Now we've been doing these in our warm-ups for the past few weeks, so hopefully this one is a little bit easier than our last or other retakes. Finding the area of a rectangle. So the area of this rectangle equals 33 square centimeters. Well, what does that mean? That means that our base, which we don't know, times our height, which is 3, equals 33 centimeters squared. So what measurement could go in here to fill in for the question mark? Well, what times 3 is 33? 11 times 3 equals 33. So then our base, or our missing value, is 11 centimeters. These two figures are parallelograms. So to find the area for a parallelogram, we're going to do area is base times height. So on this top figure, what is our base? Well, our base is actually the 8 because the height is perpendicular. It stands straight up from the base. So then our height is 4 centimeters. So we have 8 times 4, 32 centimeters squared, or square centimeters. Area of a parallelogram is base times height. So in this lower figure, we have a base of 16, a height of 8. So our area, 128 square yards. The next shape that we're going to be finding the area of is triangles. So our formula for area for triangle is base times height divided by 2. Remember, our base stands straight, our height stands straight up from our base. So here we have a base of 30 times a height of 12 divided by 2. You can put this right in the calculator to get your answers, or we can think about this as 30 times 12, 360, divided by 2, 180 meters squared. And there's our area. Our next triangle, we have a base of 12 times a height of 10. To get the area, we need to divide that by 2. So 12 times 10, 120, divide by 2, 60 centimeters squared. And there's our area for our two triangles. Remember, we're doing a base times height divided by 2 because our triangles are half of a parallelogram. Our final figure is a trapezoid. To get the area of a trapezoid, we're doing base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. So when we look at this figure, we have base 1, base 2, and our height stands up perpendicular between the two parallel bases. So to solve this, we would use 15 plus 25. We have to have a parentheses so we do our order of operations correctly, times 12 divided by 2. 40 times 12 divided by 2. 480 divided by 2. Our area equals 240 square centimeters. Base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. Here are your practice questions for your ticket to retake. So solve these 3 problems, show your math teacher, and this is your ticket to retake this standard. Good luck. Go back and review any of the practice problems if you need help figuring out what to do. And hopefully we see some improvements. Have a great day.